功夫. It means supreme skill from hard work.
You talk about Chinese boxing. How does it differ from, say, our kind of boxing?
Well, first we use the feet.
That's
and then we use the elbow. And
use the thumb too.
You name it, man.
We use it all.
You have to, you see, because, I mean, that is the expression of the human body. I mean, everything. I mean, you know, not just the hand. And when you're talking about combat, well, I mean, if it is a sport, now you're talking about something else. You have regulations, you have rules. But when you're talking about fighting as it is, with no rules.
Not real fighting.
Well, then, baby, you better train every part of your body.
Sad ti meni pomešaj. Razumiješ, on pak sad, to ti ja treba da pak sad. Ok, kako to mi ja da radim ovaj dan dole. Ok, znači odavde je, hop, bum. Ok, to nam je, znači ovdje, tak, ok. Odavde, laka dole, udarac glavom, ok, koleno, ovaj laka, ovaj laka. Ok, znači poenta je to. Ok, bam, 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 ok. I povisničeš, pa ovo, ok. Znači, levi, desni.
Be water, my friend.